Hello everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affairs episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, how many sites across the country have been identified as chemically contaminated? A. 7, B. 103, C. 189, D. 205. The correct answer is option B, 103. A total of 103 sites have been officially identified as having chemical contamination. Next question is, what is the name of the rare and colorful fungi native to New Zealand, documented in the Kagasnagar Forest Division? A. Shuttlecock mushroom, B. Basket fungus, C. Blue pinkgill, D. Ghost fungus. The correct answer is option C, Blue pinkgill. The blue pinkgill is a rare fungi from New Zealand that was found in the Kagasnagar Forest Division. Next question is, the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project was built on which river? A. Krishna River, B. Kaveri River, C. Godavari River, D. Yamuna River. The correct answer is option C, Godavari River. The project is an irrigation system designed to utilize water from the Godavari River. Next question is, what is the name of the new anti-drone system, ADS, launched by Punjab? A. Baaj Akh, B. 𝗕ciecie𝗂𝗍𝘀, C. 𝗕عني Akh, D. 𝗕ciecie𝗂𝗍𝘀. The correct answer is option A, Baaj Akh. The new anti-drone system, by its specific name, Baaj Akh, has been launched to counter cross-border smuggling. Next question is, how many satellites will be part of the new commercial Earth observation constellation? A. 5, B. 8, C. 15, D. 12. The correct answer is option D, 12. The new constellation will be made up of a total of 12 advanced Earth observation satellites. Next question is, the recent archaeological discoveries suggesting a 3,500-year-old habitation were made in which district? A. Delhi, B. Chandigarh, C. Yamunanagar, D. Panchkulla. The correct answer is option C, Yamunanagar. The new archaeological findings were made in Topra Kalan village, which is located in the Yamunanagar district of Haryana. Next question is, for how many days will the otters be quarantined upon their arrival at the new zoo? A. 7 days, B. 14 days, C. 21 days, D. 30 days. The correct answer is option C, 21 days. Once the animals reach their destination, they will be kept in isolation for a period of 21 days to ensure they are healthy before being introduced to the main enclosure. Next question is, what new technology is being used for the first time in India for cloud seeding in this experiment? A. Airplanes, B. Drones, C. High-altitude balloons, D. Ground-based generators. The correct answer is option B, drones. This experiment marks the first time that drones, rather than traditional aeroplanes, are being used for cloud seeding in India. Next question is, what is the theme for this year's International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics? A. One Earth, One Sky, B. The Universe Awaits, C. Space for All, D. 𝗕ጽ 𝗂𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀. The correct answer is option D, 𝗕ጽ 𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀. The theme for this year's event is an ancient Indian idea that translates to the world is family under the one sky. Last question is, according to the provided World Bank data for 2023, what was Japan's total fertility rate, TFR? A. 1.2, B. 0.72, C. 1.98, D. 2.2. The correct answer is option A, 1.2. Japan's TFR stands at 1.2, which is significantly below the rate needed to maintain a stable population. Now it's time for practice question. What is the name of the typhoon that hit Taiwan's southeast coast? A. Kirodi, B. Harvey, C. Podule, D. Tainan? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.